Hi guys, what we have here is another whistle. Now it wasn't on Thingiverse, it was a short on YouTube by halve with a link to a free download for the STL. So I downloaded it. There'll be a link in the video description to his video. I took a bit of a risk. I was trying to find which edge meant that I didn't need to use support layers, so that's why it's over at a funny angle like that. So if we blow in there, it should make a noise. No, oh dear. I will assume that we've got a bit of a mess in there somewhere that needs cleaning out. Yeah, absolutely nothing coming out of there. I think I've got to clean that a little bit there. Like I said, I was trying to gauge which angle to print it at, so we didn't need any support layers. But I'm guessing we got some loose filament in there. Right, we'll see what we can do to sort that out. Right, having a second attempt, I've changed the orientation. It's laying on one side now. I don't know if we get a picture of it. Yeah. Well, we'll see. The first version was hopeless. I just couldn't clean it out to get a whistle out of it. So hopefully this one, well, we'll find out. Right. Ooh, still warm on the bed. Okay, need to clean up the support layers on the side. Oh, still got some mess in there. Let's try blowing it. That is pretty high pitched. Sorry about that if you're if you have problems with high pitch. Well, it works. Yeah, I'll trim it up, see if we can make it look a bit better. I'm just editing the video I shot earlier of these whistles, and I can't hear the whistle blowing when I'm looking at the video where I'm demonstrating it. I think it may just be too high pitched for my headphones, because it shows it on the audio track, but I just can't hear it. This is the second one. I've cleaned it up now, rubbed off the extra support layers. This one still can't get a whistle out of it. This one, we'll try it again. I'll try and blow more gently and try and get a lower pitch out of it. Yeah, I'll add that to the video edit and see if that's any better. It does work, but as I say, I can't hear it on my headphones when I play the video back. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.